So how do you plan a Canada road trip very easy and quickly in 3 easy steps? I'll tell you the 3 steps I use. First is, I want to get a broad idea how and where I want to go. For that, I do some research online. Then the second step would be to help or ask AI for some help. What you're gonna do is you take the newest model, include web search or deep research as an option when you enter your prompt, and then you add details like how many driving hours you want to have from one spot to the other, how many days, how many people, what do you prefer, hiking, adventurous things, less adventurous things, how old your kids are, and so on and so forth. You put everything in, and then it gives you a broad idea what you can do, where to go, and how long you should stay. And then the third step would be to use a tool like Wanderlog or a Mindtrip or even Roadtrippers to add the details into the trip plan. This helps you then to get an idea where you can stay along the route, and then you just use Google Maps in addition to get an idea how much does it cost. And maybe a little additional step you could take then is to check for accommodations on Airbnb or VRBO that might fit your budget even better. So that's it. And if you want to know which prompt you could use, I'll link it down in the description below for you that you can grab it. And if you have any other questions, just drop a comment below. Thank you very much and see you soon.